Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I want to show you how to know if someone is online on Snapchat. Actually, there's a button right here if you want to see if someone is online. But you can see them by tapping the chat message. So right here, for example, we will find a account right here, for example, and send him a message. So I'll tap right here, hello, then tap on send. Then you can see the status right over here. It says delivered, meaning that the message has been delivered, but he did not see your message, meaning he is not online. But if the status is received, meaning they are online and they saw your message. And the second method that you're going to do to see if someone is online is go to the map. On the bottom left corner right here, you can see the map icon. So you just tap this option right here to see if someone is online. So right here, you need to tap on friends at the bottom right. And if your friends activate the feature, actually, you will see when is their last time that they are online on Snapchat. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.